Hello and welcome to module 8 of this Shopify tutorial series. In this module, I am going to cover how we can customize our store and what are the steps we should be using in order to customize our store and make it look more professional. And I'll do minimal customization, and as we move forward, we'll make it look way much better. So this module would be divided into sub parts so that uh, each and every topic is covered in subparts. So this is module 8.a, so that in customization we cover lots and lots of things so that you're able to make it look and feel better for the customers. So this is how it looks at the moment, and we are going to make it look way more professional. And this is a free theme, so we are going to utilize the free theme and make it look way more professional. So without wasting any time, let's get started to customize our store. So the first thing we need to do in order to customize our store is we need to click on customize, and our focus should be on parts. So we'll divide our focus into parts. So let's cover header and footer in this module. So I'll be covering header and footer in this module so that everything is covered. So I'm using Sense theme. You can also use Dawn theme or any other free theme you are willing to use, but I'm using Sense theme because it looks colorful, and we'll have to just change the color combination over here and it would look way more professional. It is already professional, but yeah, I'll make it look way more professional. So by default it comes up with some default data. I'm just going to delete the default data and I'll save it, and I'll focus on the header part and footer part in this module so that I cover other things in other modules. So let's go to the module header. So what I believe would look nice would be, either depending upon your logo, you can select the layout. You can just select the layout as this, which is there for most of the websites. So I would rather select this one. All right, so I am selecting this one, and the main menu is this one. The menu is, we can use mega nav over here, so I'll just use mega nav because there are cases or there are websites which do have the mega nav enabled. So I'm going to enable the mega nav over here. And what is mega nav, I'll discuss that later in this video itself. So that is it. And if I want to show a separator line, yes, I can show a separator line. And we can also have a sticky header. So we can always and reduce logo size, right? So I like this one because this one is better. All right, so you can choose it as per your desire. So I don't need the country region at the moment. I'll just use it. So mobile navigation, I'll make it left. Again, the mobile logo, the one which is over here, I'll make it left aligned. And bottom margin, I'll keep 12, and top padding 12, and bottom padding 12. Why I'm keeping this padding small? Because in mobile devices we have lesser area to cover. We have to show more to the client in order to give more information to the client who is watching on the mobile, because each and every scroll takes some information, and the more information we provide in less scroll, that means people are going to, like, we are selling more in that case. All right, so just keep paddings less so that there is a less scroller and ensure that there is less spacing in mobile, so that people who are scrolling through their mobile, they see more information in less scroll. All right, so I'll just save it. And yeah, now I need to also add a logo. So what I'll do is I'll add a logo, and I'll use Shopify logos only, because yeah, it's a Shopify tutorial, so I'll use Shopify logo, and we can define the width and height of the logo over here. So yeah, I'll just use this much width. Okay, let's see, 150 is okay. Yeah, and save it. And then once this is defined, I need to also have menu over here. So in order to get the menu, we can just go to our theme. We can go back from over here. Exit, and click on navigation, and under navigation we can select main menu, and under main menu we can add items. So for example, I'll add the items over here. So the first thing I would show is, because in most cases we don't have the logo over here, so you'll see the layout is like this now. I'll change the logo also, because it's kind of grayish. I'll change it to something else, but yeah, let's focus on this. So I'll make it home, and provide the home page link. Then comes our shop, and under shop there would be several links. So I'll keep it hash for now, but we'll be adding more menus over here. Then comes probably contact us, and yeah, like we can add more categories over here. So new arrivals. All right, new arrivals. So we'll add some new arrival categories over here. So for now I'll add the new arrival as well, for now I'll use snowboard for now, but under shop, so I'll just save it. Contact us should be a contact us link. So I still need to create that page. For now I'll keep it as hash, so that it's just visible. So contact, new arrivals, and there are other pages we can add over here, like FAQs, FAQ S, and again I'll make it hash, and then we can also add about us. All right, and then we can position it wherever we want. So about us, then shop, new arrivals, FAQs, and then yeah, and then we can have our contact us. So we'll use again hash over here. All right, with that done, we should have a menu over here. This is how it looks. Let's arrange it in a better way. Now we have a menu over here. So I'll just go to navigation again, and then customize. And now as we have a header, so let's see, middle left. Yeah, that's how I need, because I don't want to want people to scroll too much. So middle left is okay. All right, the lesser people scroll, the more better. All right, we should be giving more information in the front page. What we are selling, we should be giving more information in lesser space, so that people are able to see more data when they land on the page. So it should not be a complete banner covering the whole page. That it looks good, but it's not conversion friendly. So we should be focusing on the small size banner, and it should be more appealing and provide more data over here. So yeah, we are to reduce some spacing. All right, so this is the header part, and let's see what we can do in terms of what else we can do in theme settings. uh, well, it's enable search suggestion, that's okay, and then vertical offset is okay. For those who would be looking for a conversion friendly theme, I have a theme which I have created, which is conversion friendly and completely free of cost. You can use it for your store, and you can it's completely free, and no hidden charges or nothing like that, and it is basically a version of Dawn theme. So you are free to use that theme, which is in the description below. All right, so I've just I'll just share the link in the description below, because that theme is particularly conversion friendly and you'll be able to customize it very easily. All right, so that's this part, and let's work on the menu of the typography, like the font family which we want to use, and the overall layout we want to use. All right, so I do want the font size to be bit bigger, but not too big. I'll just keep it smaller, and yeah, it should not be too much big, because too much big looks good, but in terms of conversion, we should be focusing on those words which basically give us more conversions. Like if this is too much big, that means like more, it's covering more space. So lesser word, we should be focusing on the words which give us more conversion. So we can focus on the words, but let's not make it too much bigger. All right, then we can choose the color combination. So now I'll just define different color combination over here. So I'm gonna make it black. Okay, like I'll use white, and then I'll use black color. This should be black, and then let's see. Actually, I would rather not use any gradient actually. So yeah, there are different options to use gradient, but I'll not use the gradient over here. So I'll use the background color to be somewhat this one. I'll play around with the colors and ensure that this looks way much nicer. So I'll use different colors. Basically, you should be defining some colors before, or you should have color defined to be used in your theme, in order to like what are your color branding. You should be using proper color branding. So possibly it should be somewhere which should match with your logo. So possibly I'll use the one which is for Shopify. So let me drop the Shopify colors. So I just changed the logo, and I'm just gonna go with the colors again, and I would use colors like let's see, we can use colors like this is black, it's okay. The text should be white, and yeah, the button would be of different color. Solid button background would be I'll just keep it this one. outline button is again black. Yeah, it should be same color, and yeah, the shadow should be some, I don't need shadows over here, but yeah, let's keep it black for now. So we are just changing the color as per our logo. All right. Yeah, so this is one version. We are defining different schemes. All right, we can add another one, which is this one. The background, I don't need this this kind of background. I'll just use the text to be black, and then solid button background would be this, and outline button background button would be this. Okay, and solid button label would be white color. All right, so let's see, this is okay. And let's keep the background to be somewhat different, but yeah, I'll just keep it this one for now. We can keep it white just to make things equal. All right, and then there are different other colors. Let's see, we are using this color, I guess. Okay, let's see the buttons. I need the buttons. Okay, and this would be okay. So I've defined the colors over here, the colors over here of the header, and like this part also. So I played around with the colors, and I can use the different color scheme over here. So for now I'll use this one only, the one which is at the top for our menu color scheme. For footer I'll use different color scheme. All right, so for footer I'll not use color scheme for this one. I'll use this color scheme for this part, and yeah, I'll just keep 12 padding top and 12 bottom. All right, and yeah, this is I don't think so we need this right now, but yeah, for footer we can just keep this part, and yeah, we can keep the layout to be like this only. Okay, now we need to add parts in the footer, and the header and footer are the two major parts which we need to cover first, because most of the information here is provided in like the links. It should be easy to navigate for customer, so we should have more and more information provided over here in our footer and header, so that people can navigate through your website pretty much easily, and there is no confusion while they are scrolling, or if they want to find a page, they should not be searching for that page. They should be able to find it either on the header or on the footer. Like any inside links, like it is kind of like not a good strategy, I would say. So let's see if we add menu over here. So we can add menu over here, one menu. I'll just add at least 4 menu. At least 4. More and more information. For example, I'm just gonna take the example of Shopify only, because they are a big brand already, and we are building website in Shopify. That's why I'll just take the example of Shopify. You see, they're providing more and more information. Relevant information is being provided in the header, in the footer, and everyone who is looking for anything would be available in this header and footer. The terms and services page should be somewhat over here. That is what we'll keep in our store itself. So let's see, we can add 4 links over here, and then one would be our brand information, which we can put over here like this, and yeah, we can just put some brand information, or like this brand information is basically in our backend. So I'll just use the logo for now. So I'll just put the logo of our website, and I'll keep the links to be 3 for now. All right, so let's put the logo should be somewhat grayish. I'll just use the gray one so that it's partially visible. Possibly I'll just search for the white logo of Shopify. So Shopify white logo png, and yeah, I'll have it over here. Yeah, I'll just use this one. This one. No, not this one. Yeah, I'll use this one. No, this is not white. Okay, I have added this logo already, and yeah, I just searched it and ensured that no time is wasted in searching. I have this logo in here, and I'll also be removing the extra spacing from over here, because I'm not a good fan of this spacing. So I'll be removing the spacing, and also giving you the steps in order to remove the spacing. So we can use the top padding, remove the top padding and the bottom padding to be much more less, maybe around 16 by 16. Keep it uniform, and I don't think so we need the country or language selector at the bottom, or maybe we can just keep it. Yeah, we can just keep it. We can show the payment icons over here, which would be visible over here, and let's keep the padding a little bit higher in the top. Okay, then we can show the email sign up over here in this place, because that would be the thing which should be shown on all the pages. So probably I'll keep it over here. So let's see if it comes like this. No, it doesn't. So yeah, let's see. Okay, all right, so this is how we would set up our footer. Definitely it's not very good looking at the moment, but gradually we'll improve the look of this whole footer, header, etc. But yeah, it would go step by step, but I guess we are on the path now, and I believe you have learned a lot now of how to start your customization, and how to choose the colors, and how to define different things, and how to also use the menu, or create menu in Shopify. Now we will also create now the menu, the mega menu we were talking about. So in order to create a mega menu, we'll just do one thing. We'll add some dummy collection. Well, this is dummy collection, and we'll keep it hash over here, and then just make sure that it goes under here. All right, so there are 3 levels in which we can go inside this menu. So in order to have a sub menu, and sub menu should also have a sub menu, which this is the sub menu. So it doesn't go anywhere beyond this. So we have this final thing in which we can just add links. So we can add link 1, or product 1 over here. I'll just keep it hash for now, or maybe I'll just use product 2, product, or it's instead of product 1, product 2, I'll just use the exact naming of the product. So yeah, this one, and then I can just use the products over here, this one, and yeah, I'll keep 4 products in this particular uh, drop down. It would not be a drop down, basically it would be a mega menu. All right, so I'll just choose another one. Yeah, then we have instead of dummy collection, I'll write something like necklace, and under necklace I'll just add different products. So probably I'll add this necklace, and inside this I'll add further add products. Oh, okay, so necklace, I'll just keep it hash for now, and then under necklace we'll have different products. So the product would be this one, then we'll have add more products over here, and so again this one, and I'll add another one which is this one, and one more products, and yeah, this one. All right, and then I'll add another main menu would be earrings. All right, and I'll use hash for now, just for now, and I'll add sub menu, a sub mega menu over here, and I'll just add earrings over here, earrings, and then earrings, one more earring, products, and we'll add one more earring, and final earring, and basically it takes the name automatically, so that's why I'm using this. So yeah, I guess I'll just reuse this earring. Okay, all right, so if I save it, we'll see in our store we'll have a drop down over here, so it will take a little bit of time, but it should be visible in any second now. So I'll just go ahead and wait for it, and yeah, it should be visible now. Yeah, you see this, and with that we will be able to see our mega menu. So we can add a block over here. Well, it's not visible, but we can, let's see what we can do in this mega menu. Yeah, we have this mega menu in here. We can add more mega menu items over here. All right, so this was just a basic mega menu item addition, but you can add more. All right, depending upon your requirements. So more information is provided in this shop, and people who would be clicking on this shop would have access to the collections. All right, so depending upon your niche, you can create different collections and main headings. The main heading would not go anywhere, but once they click on this particular under headings, they would be able to see the products or the collections you want them to go through, right? So in my case it goes over here. So yeah, all right, now we have set it up as per our requirement. So you now also know how to add mega menu and some menus, and all other minimal menus in your page, and also you know how to ensure that things are looking nice and less space is required. Once you less spacing is there inside your overall template, then we are ready to go with homepage customization and other customization. So the next module would cover that part. All right, so I guess that was all for this module, and I hope you learned a lot in this module, how to customize menu, or how to add or customize your header and footer of your theme. So in case you need this thing already pre-prepared. I have the theme link in in the description below. You can use that theme for free, and it is basically, it does have more features enabled in that particular theme. So yeah, so now in the next module I'll cover a lot more other stuff. And so that was all for this module. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next module.